The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I'm going to take a look at what happens when you remove a third-party email from your Google account and then try and make a Google account with that particular third-party email address. Now, a third-party email is any email that is not a Gmail. Okay, so I'm signed into my Gmail email using Google account, and I'm going to go to personal info. And on this page, you'll see under contact information, if I click on the email field, so I'm just going to close this box down, and you'll see on this page that my Google account uses a Gmail as its primary email address, and my recovery email and also my alternative email is the Yahoo email that I'm going to remove. So I'm going to remove it by clicking on Manage Alternative Emails. And I'm going to bin it. Now it's actually been removed and I no longer have an alternative email I can sign in with. I'm going to refresh this page and there you are, no alternative email. Now I'm also going to remove it as a recovery email address. It's asking me to sign in because now I'm taking a very sensitive action, so I'm actually going to be asked to verify my own myself as the legitimate person to be making that change. So I'm going to bin it, and there you are. I have no longer got a recovery email address. So if I refresh this page yet again, you'll see that the only email address is the Google account's primary email address, which is also its contact email address, and I am being prompted here to add a recovery email address. Now for the next step, I'm going to click on the top right hand side and I'm going to add another account, and here I'm going to opt to create an account, and this is for my personal use, and I'm going to give my name. Obviously my date of birth, my gender, and I'm going to use my existing email because this existing email is the Yahoo that I've literally just removed. Next. And here I'm being told that this email is taken by a recently deleted account. Please try again later. Okay, but I haven't deleted the account. I've literally just removed the email from that Gmail email using Google account. So this message is maybe a little bit boilerplate. It certainly isn't accurate because the account isn't deleted. So let's try next. What can we do? We can't actually do anything. No matter what I do, I would have to either make a new Gmail Google account or I would have to wait a little while. So this is the problem that is arising. Now, there are some people who have tried after 2 weeks and they're still seeing this message, and therein lies the problem. So let's see if it is a recently deleted account. I'm here on the sign in page and I'm going to enter the email address because this would normally be the first step to recovering a recently deleted account. So there we are. There is the email address that I'm trying to create a new Google account with, which I had removed from my Gmail email using Google account. And I'm going to click on sign in. And I'm being told that my Google account couldn't be found. And that is because this was never actually a Google account. It was an existing Google account's alternative email address and recovery email address. It was never yet a Google account in its own right. Once I find out anything new, I will certainly update. Thank you for listening and goodbye.